Turning back to our May the 4th cast in the valley, we are seeing quite a bit of rain really affecting, especially towards Bakersfield, a little bit of Arvin as well. Really, we're seeing mostly 40s and 50s for tonight, but as we head towards the desert, we are also seeing a little bit of the 60s. Now, tonight's lows range as low as 33 degrees in the mountains, up to 47 degrees in both the valley and in the desert. Now, we do see a little bit of rain affecting quite a bit of the county. However, there is also the possibility of snow starting to accumulate in the mountains as well, and that's not only tonight, but also into tomorrow. Now, tomorrow's highs can range as low as 45 degrees in the mountains, up to 69 degrees in the desert areas as well. So definitely cooler than what we're used to. Now, we do have some wind alerts as well. We have a wind advisory, which you can see in this tan color. With that, we're expecting to see gusts up to 55 miles per hour. But not only that, we also have a high wind warning, which you can see in this yellow orange color. And with that, we can expect to see gusts up to 65 miles per hour. And both are set to expire tomorrow at 11 p.m. But now let's get a closer look at that wind. As we head into tomorrow morning, that's when we do see quite some strong winds starting to kick in. We're looking more in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, more of a breeze for the rest of the county. However, as we head towards the afternoon, that's when we do see things really starting to pick up, heading into the 40 mile per hour numbers, especially towards the desert. But this wind is also affecting many of the mountains areas as well. And it does look like eventually it will start to kind of condense and focus more on the Mojave area, where we're seeing 49 miles per hour. So definitely stronger winds expected over the next 24 hours. Now, let's get a closer look at the rain. Right now, we do see some pretty good amount of rain, especially towards the center part of the county. As we head overnight, we do see some light rain and light snow and a mix of the two affecting many of our mountain areas. But as we head into the morning, things are looking like they're going to die down quite a bit. We do see a little bit of that snow lingering towards Frazier Park and Pine Mountain Club. But as we head towards the afternoon, things are looking quite a bit clear and continuing as we head into the night. Looking at those rain totals all across the map, we're expecting to see somewhere between less than 1/10 of an inch up to about 1/4 of an inch. But now let's get a look at the week ahead of us, because we do see things warming up quite a bit. So starting off with tomorrow, we have a high of 66 degrees here in the valley and a low of 45 with that 20% chance of rain. Starting off our morning partly cloudy, but things are expected to clear up as we head into the afternoon. Things are warming up starting Monday, where we're heading into the 70s, warming into the 80s as we head to Thursday, 87 degrees. Friday and Saturday, that's when we are expected to head into the 90s. So although we're looking at cooler weather right now, we do have some warm weather ahead of us to look forward to. Looking into the mountain areas, we're starting off between the 40s and 50s. Let's look at Frazier Park to Tehachapi. We're looking in the 40s with that 30% chance of rain and snow, warming up to the 50s, 60s, and as we head later into the week, that's where we are seeing the 70s. As for Lake Isabella, we're following the same trend still. 10% chance of rain, but warming up into the 60s, 70s, and eventually even into the 80s as we head into the weekend.